Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a loose cover on the spine of a book. I've done this video before. It happens just the same way every old time. The spine comes apart from the book. There's no spring back in there. I don't need to make this video again, but what I want to show you is I'm running low on the paste. I get this from Talus. It's a urethane, PVA, polyvinyl, I think it's polyvinyl acetate. I don't think it's polyurethane. Anyway, so the PVA's been great glue. It doesn't get brittle and it's archival. And I went to reorder, and I was going to order a little needle applicator for tipping in pages into books when the pages come out loose. And they wanted $16 for shipping. So I did some checking around for more PVA glue, and I have an account with Amazon, so I found this on Amazon. It's called pH Neutral PVA glue. I'm going to give this a try. This is $16 for 16 ounces, and shipping's free on Amazon with my account, so I'm going to go that route. And also it has a little nozzle on the top, so it might be small enough for tipping in pages. Give that a try. It looks like it comes sealed, and yeah, there's a paper seal over here, but I think this is sealed too. So what I can do is just use a pin to put a little pinhole in it as needed for tipping in pages, and I could just screw this cap off for running glue out on my fingers. Yeah, the nozzle is closed off. I'm just going to run a pin in there. I already have a specification for this book. I know exactly what to trim the springback tube to, so that gets pretty quick. And I'm going to put a piece of foil in there. This is aluminum foil from one of those turkey roasting pans that are disposable. It's pretty heavy aluminum, and I fold this over about 4 times, and it's at a dimension that'll fit inside the tube. And then when the glue sets, I could just whip it out. Yeah, I like the size of this pinhole. It seems to be perfect. Covered that with some wax paper. And let's put these encyclopedias to use. It's the next day. Yeah, want to make sure that the tube didn't glue itself closed. Now I want to glue it into the spine of the book. And I'm going to keep the aluminum in the tube because I want to be able to make sure the tube doesn't glue itself closed while it's glued into the spine of the book. Do a test fit. Well, these place mark ribbons kind of get in the way. Okay, that's how it's gonna go. This headband is loose, so I'm gonna put some glue behind the headband. Oh, I did a little test blob of glue here. You want to know if your glue is going to be satisfactory. You should be able to pull it, and it'll stretch before it breaks. So this is very pliable. See that? That's a sign that your glue will stay pliable. Yeah, this headband looks good. Good to keep a wet sponge handy to wipe off any excess glue. Want to make sure that's centered and the spine at both ends. Now I have to shoot some glue down here. Yeah, I'm really digging this nozzle. I'm going to spread it with my little poker here. It's the next day, let's see how it looks. Yep, there is a space in there for the spring back. Headbands are firmly in place. Yeah, the book is pretty sturdy. I like this glue. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.